How to add Zeta Chain on MetaMask application. Our guys, first thing is to add Zeta Chain on MetaMask application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Tap on it. Now click in source bar and search for Zeta Chain. In order to add Zeta Chain on MetaMask application, just check this box and click on next. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Zeta Chain will be added on your MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how you can add Zeta Chain on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.